So hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about predicate logic or first order logic. So basically what is predicate logic? It is an expressive language which has well defined syntax and semantics. So predicate logic is bit different from prepositional logic, as in prepositional logic we talk about more true or false statements, whether a given fact is true or false in some given model. But in predicate logic, it represents fact in more realistic manner than just true or false statement. Or you can also say that predicate logic or first order logic mainly deals with the real world entities. In this, facts are represented in more realistic manner, and every time the facts or the relation given are more general to the real world entities. In this, real world entities are taken and then that facts are used to represent more given facts. So what are the properties of first order logic? First order logic has ability to represent facts about objects. In this, if you have some given facts or some objects like Virat is captain, so you can also say Virat was an object and Virat is a captain of Indian team, or you can also say Virat has the captain crown on his head. Again, he is a person. So a single object, Virat was a single object, but this object, Virat is a captain, Virat is a person, Virat is a man, Virat is a cricketer, Virat is a lover of Anushka. So single object have many facts. So properties of first order logic: ability to represent facts about object. It enables to represent law and facts from real world. Means unlike preposition logic, predicate logic deals more with the facts related to the real world entities. Just like this is an example. Here Virat is a person having a captain crown on his head. He is a lover of Anushka, where Anushka is another person which is an actress she is also a lover of Virat. So in this example, what are our objects? Like we said, predicate logics mainly used to represent three world entities: object, relations and function. Here object are person Virat, Virat is an object, person Anushka. These are two our objects. What are the relationship in this example? On head captain comma Virat. Virat is a captain, so on his head he has the captain crown on his head. Another relationship will be lover Virat comma Anushka. So every entity in this object may have different relationships. Now coming to the third entities, that is function. So what are the functions in this example? One of the function is lover comma x comma y. It is one of the function where persons can or objects can be changed, like captain comma Virat comma Indian team. It may be captain of Indian team or it may be the captain of Bengaluru. So functions can be changed. In functions, two values are there in which they have variable values, and these variable values can be changed. Thank you.